Hello everyone, I am Pragya Pandey. I hail from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I am currently pursuing my PGDM from Jaipur Institute of Management. I got placed in Deloitte for the TPMS profile as an analyst. I engaged as a information security analyst in my summer internship at Synclature. Synclature is a risk and cyber advisory firm. I was very new to this domain, so I started with my proactiveness. I used to ask a lot of questions and delve into the governance, risk and compliance department, understanding from the very fundamentals, and then we were assigned individual tasks. All the trainees there were from different reputable institutions and were handling the project single-handedly. So I was also handling the same, and I was dealing directly with the clients, having meetings with them. It inculcated in me more confidence and how to think in a more critical ability, and also there was a feeling of accountability that I was taking the responsibility for all my parts and making a valuable contribution in the organization. Preparing for an MBA placement interview comes with a lot of introspection and thorough research, including the practice that is involved. So I followed the practice of firstly trying to articulate my understanding of my strengths, my weaknesses, what I need to take care of. Secondly, I also researched about the company where I was interviewing in-depth knowledge of the company's values and the kind of environment they offer, then any initiatives which they are following. Thirdly, I also tried to formulate and research every kind of possible interview questions that can come up with, and also using the STAR-based approach, that is a situation, task and action along with the response, like how would I respond using this STAR-based methodology. Choosing Jaipur Institute of Management was a decision which came with a lot of research, and Jaipur Institute of Management is AICTE and NBA accredited, and it has a placement success record with over 375 plus recruiters, including giants like Deloitte, which made me very much interested in pursuing my PGDM from Jaipur Institute of Management. My advice for the future Jaipurians would be being proactive and adaptable, and also grabbing every opportunity that comes your way and making the most out of it.